for Lisa. We're going to help her make friends.
It might be easier with Maggie. She's always getting letters from the daycare center.
Those are past due bills.
They'll get their blood money.
And Lisa will get a friend.
After this, we'll do makeovers.
So where are all the friends?
I don't know. I invited everyone that Lisa's ever met.
Who are you?
Gus Hubner. I was on Lisa's co-ed soccer team 2 years ago.
Well, Lisa's gonna be here in 5 minutes, and the only kid who showed up is Gus frickin' Hubner.
Watch your mouth.
Oh, no, you're right, Homer. Abort, abort.
Oh, no. I was the only chump who showed up at this train wreck. Well, I'm not leaving till I get a party.
Fine, Homer. Give him a party.